guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Bondo Reality TV and welcome to IBP Convention dito sa Inares guys. So, kararating ko lang guys, medyo late ako guys at hindi tayo nakasama sa service. So, andito tayo guys sa registration booth. So, sila guys mag-register guys, nasa loob sila. So umabol lang tayo guys. So andito tayo guys sa labas. So mamaya guys update tayo at nasa loob ng mga kasama natin. So andito tayo guys sa Inares Center. So our first IBP convention. So guys, andito tayo. So welcome to IBP convention. First IBP convention. So update tayo guys mamaya at late na tayo. Nasa loob ng mga kasama.
Alright, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, tawagin natin up on stage the Chief of Staff ng IBP. Give a big hand to Rufo Mendoza. Having a short lunch break guys. It's 12 days. 12 guys, lunch break.
So halos patapos na guys yung convention guys. So yung mga previous shot na guys. So ito guys yung mas tapos na yung activities namin, pauwi na ko. Yung kasama namin guys na umuwi na guys. Sige guys, update tayo sa mga susunod na activities. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching Empowered Pinoy Community. Subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you for watching Bondoy Reality TV. Subscribe, like, and share.